Guys? Answer please.
Jess? What's wrong? Do you need someone to talk to?
Yes, please.
In private message.
So are you okay?
No, I'm in the hospital.
Jess, what happened?
I don't know. I just woke up and already in the hospital. And I feel so dizzy, my mom is crying. I think it's my fault. I should apologize at her.
Jess, are you sure you're the one that should apologize? Because you just woke up and already at the hospital.
Yes, 100% for sure I should be apologized at her. It's probably my fault that I got to the hospital.
Okay, fine. I hope you'll be alright in the hospital. Stay safe.
Thank you, Axel.
In the GC.
Yeah, then she was so clingy at me. Oh, Axel and Jess are back.
Not Jess. She's still gone.
Axel, why do you seem so sad? I've never seen you so sad.
I don't know. Jess got into the hospital.
What happened to her?
I don't know. We'll just wish that she will get better.
Yeah, I hope she's all right.
Same. Do y'all want to play a game? Not
Sure.
right now.
I'm just gonna take a rest.
All right.
Why it's so boring when Jess is not here. I feel so alone without her. I'm just gonna go offline.
Next day. At 3 a.m.
Help! I don't want to go.
Jess? Are you okay?
I don't want to go.
Jess, please tell me you're okay.
Axel? Who are you talking to? It's like 3 a.m.
I'm talking to Jess.
But Jess is offline and there is no text from her.
Wait, what? But there is.
I think you need some more rest, Axel.
No, I'm going to the hospital.
In 3 a.m.? Plus y'all don't even live closely.
Her location are on. Me and Jess live on the same country. I'm so worried at her. You know that I love her so much, right? Exactly. I don't want her to be gone. She's like everything to me. I love her so much till I'm dead. She always be on my side and care about me. You should know I will be so worried when she's in pain.
Subscribe so Mr. Bobcat doesn't die.
Like to save show link.